Okay, Jan, anong buong pangalan mo?
Jan S. Bahandi po, sir. I'm also a graduate here at Visayas State University. Of course, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major also in plant breeding, just like William Cruz, sir.
Plant breeding talaga.
Yes, sir. I'm currently the Science Research Assistant in charge of managing sweet potato germplasm at field crop, sir.
So dito pa rin yan, ang field root crops ay nasa loob ng Visayas State University. Dito pa yan sa Baybay, Leyte, ang university na pinaka scenic from mountain to dagat. Okay. Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Jan, so ito ay germplasm din, okay? I-describe mo ulit anong ibig sabihin ng germplasm para sa audience natin.
A germplasm is in layman's term is basically a gene bank, sir, a blood bank.
Gene bank.
Gene bank, sir. A germplasm is a collection of genetic material, sir, which is referring to different kinds. In this situation, the sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Because there are several kinds of germplasm for each of each of the crops, and this is sweet potato.
Ilan ang
collections? We currently have 890 accessions and 37 varieties. That 37 varieties are all NSIC regulated, sir, from VSP1 to NSIC SP37.
So yung 37 varieties na yan ay result na lahat yan ng research ninyo dito sa university?
A collection po na yan. The 37 varieties, sir, is composed of the product of breeding from UPLB, different state universities, institutions din, sir. Just like the cassava varieties. They have at least, I think, 47, 40 plus. We have 37.
Okay, dito sa varieties ngayon, alin dyan ang pinaka-significant? Ano yung pinaka-importante?
Currently, sir, because due to the advent of root crops processing technologies, we now have fries, chips, noodles. The most in demand product for those processing processing, sir, is the NSIC SP35, NSIC SP30, sir. This one, sir. This is NSIC SP30, sir.
Okay.
This is, sir,
ito
its
siya.
clearance. Yes, sir.
Okay, bakit importante to? Anong napoproduce niya?
Because this is good for table consumption, sir. It's
talbos. Hindi.
No, the tubers, sir. It's tubers.
Anong kulay ng tuber niya?
Is the skin is brownish and the flesh is cream color.
Okay.
Also, sir, we have feedback from our processing persons from our center, sir, is that they don't like NSIC SP30 because it breaks when they slice it into fries. That is why
nagka-crack.
Yes, sir. They cannot slice it into longer portions. So they do not like processing NSIC SP30 because this particular varieties are contains high dry matter. That is why it is not very feasible for sweet potato fries.
Mag-disclaimer lang po tayo, ha. Si Jan po ay fluent in Bisaya at hindi siya fluent in Tagalog. Yes. Kaya itinatry niya na sabihin sa atin in English para magkaintindihan tayo, ha. Yes. Mga audience natin, please. Okay, game. Jan.
The next sweet potato variety, sir, will be this NSIC SP25.
Okay.
The first in the N6 series, sir, of varieties.
Ano naman ang characteristic nito?
It has white skin, and its tubers has white skin and purple flesh.
Talaga?
Yes, sir. The one, did you eat the fries yesterday, sir?
Oo.
This,
Ito
the
yun.
purple one is
Ito,
this.
ang galing, no?
Yes,
Green yung dahon, white yung skin, pero purple yung loob.
sir.
Galing.
You cannot really determine the color of the tuber by
seeing the leaves
leaves. Yeah, that's it.
and stem.
It doesn't really.
So
correlate,
high
sir.
yielding din ito, John?
Yes, sir. Because most of our insect regulated varieties, sir, are all of them are high yielding talaga, sir, kasi it cannot be released if it cannot meet a certain standard.
Yeah, okay. Kaya siya pumasa na, no?
Yes, sir.
Kaya siya
Although
naging variety.
not all varieties for today, sir, are well are in demand because VSP series, for example, are released in 1980s. That's why they are rendered obsolete.
Yeah. So ganun po 'yon, kaya po tuloy-tuloy yung research kasi
Yes,
nga yung matagal, no, 'di ba? It takes
3 to 5 years.
3 to 5 years for
Maybe.
kamote, no?
Yes, sir.
For sweet potato hanggang 5 years bago nila may release.
Ma-release.
And pag na-release yan, syempre in the long run, laging 'yun ang tinatanim, laging 'yun ang tinatanim. So nagkakaroon na ng mga peste, nagiging adapted na yung mga peste,
Yes,
dumadami na yung peste, or bumababa rin yung yield kasi nga yung soil nadideplete din yung
Yes,
soil, or nagkakaroon ng climate change, ganyan, or
Yes, sir.
yung market nag-iiba yung demand. Dati hindi naman uso yung fries na kamote, ngayon mayroon na. So nag-i-evolve yung need ng market, lahat nag-i-evolve. So ngayon sila tuloy-tuloy silang nagde-develop ng variety. So nangyayari yung mga lumang variety parang na-obsolete siya.
Yes, sir.
So may mga bago
May mga
lagi.
bago.
Yan. So itong mga to ay mga considered bago na to.
Yes, sir. From 2010s na to, sir, ni-release.
2010. Okay.
Yes, sir. Our latest is Insect SP37, I think from 2016 yata ni-release, sir.
2016.
Yung 37, Insect SP37 na variety.
Mm-mm.
I think wala ang ito, sir, ito yung our polycross
Cross.
breeding.
Ano yung polycross breeding?
It's a polycross, sir, is a method of breeding which is uncontrolled pollination, which uses uncontrolled
Bahala
pollination.
na lang siya dyan.
Yes, sir. That's our setup, sir. Pero it has sinister because it was set up in, I think, September, because when you do sweet potatoes, sir, they flower on short day. They don't flower if you give them 10-hour sunlight. They flower on short day at least.
So probably November, December,
Yes,
January,
sir.
Feb.
Because that's why we set up our polycross on September, because it's colder or shorter day length. And they flower on those months. And the product, our polycrosser, is basically from germplasm. The breeder, which I'm not the breeder, sir. We have a specific breeder for sweet potato, sir. I'm the germplasm manager.
Yes.
He will our germplasm. He will request a certain characteristic, because when you breed sweet potatoes, you have target objectives, or particularly basically any breeding program, you have objectives.
Okay.
Then from those characteristics, he will list. For example, John, Sir Godoy will say, John, I need parent stocks that are purple flesh, then high yielding. Now, I will select from our germplasm collection those that can meet those
that requirements.
And then we will plant those in we call it polycross setup.
Okay. And then bahala na sila doon, magbulaklak sila doon.
Yes, sir.
Magbe-breed siya, magpo-pollinate siya ng pusa.
Sir. Pero hindi katulad dito na pinapabayaan mo lang mag-crawl in the land. We will, those are bamboo poles, sir, and pinapaakyat namin dun sa doon namin pinapaakyat yung sweet potato kasi
Okay.
para basically yan kasi yung setup ng polycross para hindi anong tawag dun sa
Magganon-ganon.
yes sir para
Oh.
easy ang management yes, sir kasi upright ang kaniyang posisyon.
Okay.
Tapos yung seeds collected from polycross will now undergo single seed selection.
Okay.
That will let those seeds germinate and then plant each of those seeds individually. Then that's what we call single seed selection.
Okay.
We select those. For example, our target objective was orange flash tubers genotype. The one who will produce at least orange flash will be selected and will progress to second step of the
Research.
the selection process, which is the single row.
Okay.
We plant
Ano naman ang single row?
single row is we plant from those from the sweet potato which came from the seeds. We will propagate those because we cannot first we propagate those in order to obtain sufficient planting materials to plant a single row.
Okay.
Single row, sir.
Ito yan.
Single row, sir. Pagkatapos nun, sir, we replicate. After single row replicated. Pagkatapos nun, sir, basically, pag ma-continue yung genotype na yun na orange flesh pa rin siya kasi hindi pa tayo mag-select for yield because the sample is too small.
Pero lahat yan, lahat ng process na ginagawa mo, lahat yan, through the seeds lahat yon.
One time lang yung seed, sir.
Ang seeds, yung una lang.
Una lang kasi slip na yun, sir.
Yung ginawa mo doon.
Yun sa polycross, sir.
Sa polycross.
Yes,
After
sir.
that, slips na.
Slips na, sir. Kasi pag cut mo ng slip, sir, is prototype na yun sa seeds.
Okay.
Kasi kung seeds ulit yung itanim mo, sir,
Magbabago na naman.
okay. Because sweet potatoes are generally cross-pollinated.
Yes.
Sir.
So,
That's
posibleng
why-
magbago kung seeds ulit. So, one seed lang and then after that, puro slips na.
Slips na,
Yung
sir.
slips ang ilalagay mo dito sa single row.
Single row, sir. Tapos, pagtapos ng single row, sir, pag magsiselect ulit dun, sir. For example, from 1,000 seeds, you have selected 100. You've discarded 900.
Yung 100.
100 is single row.
Single row mo.
lahat, sir. Pagkatapos ng single row is single row replicated. That means three
times.
At least 3 replications
Ah.
for further selection na ulit, sir. Pagkatapos nun, sir, pag may nag-perform na yung hindi naman lahat yun, sir, ma-select mo yung 100, at least maybe 50, half ang ma-discard mo for double row because the double row, sir, tapos double row replicated again. After double row replicated is the advanced yield trial. That is when we select for yield. All those who will go advanced yield trial is basically kanang past your target objective, which is the orange flesh. Pagkatapos nun, sir, kasi hindi naman pwedeng orange flesh lang tapos hindi rin mag-yield ng maganda yung genotype na i-select mo. Kaya tanggalan yung hindi mag-yield, sir. Pagkatapos nun, sir, before pa yung NCT. NCT is National Cooperative Testing which is composed of multiple locations throughout the Philippines from Mindanao, Luzon, Benguet, Bohol. And those data, sir, will be accumulated, and if a certain genotypes performs well in this region but not well on those
the other region discarded then.
No, not really, sir, because we can justify in the insects, sir, that we can release this regionally lang. Yes, sir. Because
hindi pwedeng national.
Yes, sir. It thrive in this region, so why not plant here?
In that region.
Yes, sir. If it has good yield, so we can. There's I think regional release, sir. Ganyan,
so may
sir.
national release, may regional release.
Sir. Kasi sayang naman kung i-discard mo lang kasi hindi nag-yield sa ibang lugar pero napakaganda nito sa
dito sa Leyte.
Yes, sir. So if those genotypes which came from seeds, if they can surpass or even yes, surpass the Czech varieties, which currently our latest, our Czech varieties are is together together planted with those genotypes for kanang trial.
So again, in any crops, no, mapakasaba, mapaube, taro, no, or sweet potato, ganon hirap yung dadaan ng proseso bago siya ma-release as new variety. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So naintindihan na natin yon. Okay, John, sa ngayon, anong ginagawa nyo dito ngayon?
This is single row, sir.
Single row ito.
Yes, sir. You can see the code, sir. This is the code assigned for each genotype, sir.
May mga code
iba-ibang
siya.
genotypes to, sir.
Na lahat naka-single row ngayon.
You can see it's this currently, sir, is for propagation only.
Yes.
This setup is for propagation only, sir, because due to extreme heat, sir, we can't really plant experiment setup right now because extreme heat. Even though they said sweet potatoes are versatile, it also needs rain.
May requirement pa rin siya.
My water requirements, certain water requirements pa rin siya, sir, before you can plant. It requires moist soil at least 1 month after planting, sir, kasi for example, ngayon, sir, sobrang tindi ng init. Need namin mag-water every day, sir.
Sige dyan. So, sa lahat ng ginagawa nyong research, ano yung pinaka-significant na nagawa ninyo na talagang akma doon sa requirement ng farmer?
Yung pag-release talaga ng variety, sir, kasi most basically those native, we call farmers varieties sweet potatoes are late maturing. What I mean is our varieties can be harvested 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
And
Yung ginagamit ni farmer,
those native varieties which can take up to 6 months.
6 months, okay.
Yes, sir.
So importante na yung farmer kailangan mag-adapt, no?
Yes, sir.
Yung mga varieties na available, kailangan yun ang gamitin nila.
Yes,
kung
sir.
gusto nila na tumaas yung ani, yung yield. Okay.
Oh.
Na mataas ang yield na mas mabilis.
Yes, sir.
Oo, kasi kung ilang months ka mo yung native, 6 months.
Yes, sir.
O di
6 months.
sayang yung oras.
Sayang yung oras, sir.
Oo.
Which whereas our varieties Insect SP35, I think, is our earliest maturing variety, sir. You can harvest it as early as 3 months.
3 months?
Yes, sir.
Malalaki na yun?
Malalaki na yun, sir.
Sobrang 3 months, okay.
3 months, sir. Which is, the native varieties will take twice as long.
Oo.
Because it will take 6 months.
So, ganun ka-importante po yung mga paggamit ng technology, paggamit ng bagong planting material na nanggagaling dito sa Philippine Root Crops at dito sa Visayas State University.
Yes, sir.
Ayan. John, anything else na gusto mong i-share?
I think I covered
So far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ngayon po, ang next na pag-uusapan natin ay pag-uusapan na natin ano yung tamang cultural management para talagang ma-maximize natin
yes, sir.
yung mga bagong variety na rinelease ng Philippine Root Crops.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.